Hi everyone, welcome back to Python course. Today we are going to discuss about the most important topic in Python, which is list. What is list? A list is a collection of items which can be of any data type such as integer, string or other objects. Lists are immutable, which means that you can add, remove or modify items in a list. Let's write some points of list. The first one, list is a collection of items. List is a collection of items which can be any type, any data type such as integer, string and so on. And lists are mutable, which means that can add, remove or modify items in a list. Lists are mutable. So list is a collection of items which can be any data type such as integer, string, so on, and lists are mutable. Let's declare a list. My list equals to. So to declare a list, we have to write like within square brackets. This is called empty list, and check the type of my list, which is list. How to define the variables values within the list? My list equals to 1, 2, 0.8 within string which I am giving here. So these are like a different types, integer, strings, so which can be any data type such as integers and strings and float, whatever. Let's check the type of the list. My list. See here, you're getting the list. Now, how to check the elements on the list? What is the length of the list? Then by using length method, you can check length option. It's like a 4 elements, 4 items are there. List have like a different types of methods to check the values within the list, and we have like a different methods we can utilize within the list. The first one, append. Append is a method within Python for list. We can add element to the end of the list. We can add element to the end of the list. What is append method? So append is a method in Python. We can add elements to end of the list by using append method. Let's try. My list equals to 1, 2, 3, and I want to append 4 in my list. List dot append 4. Now check it, what is my list. My list. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. First I have declared list within 3 values 1, 2, 3. After that I appended 4 in the list. It added end of the list, like end of last element of the list. Do we, if you want to add like a multiple values, here in append we are taking like a 1 value, but if I want to add a multiple values within the list, is it possible with append? Let's try with. I want to add 4, 5. It is giving a type error. So list dot append takes exactly 1 argument, not 2, but I have given 2. So 1 argument only we can pass within the append method. So my list equals to, we have given 1, 2, 3, and if I want to add one element within the list, like end of the element of the list, then we can use like a append. So if I want to add a multiple items within the list, I have to use extend method. Extend is a method. Extend. What is extend? Extend adds elements from an iterable to the end of the list. Let's take an example. My list is 1, 2, 3, and now my underscore list dot extend. To add multiple values within list, 4 comma 5 I am taking. Then print my list. It is giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we are taking like a list within 4 and 5. Let's try with append. Why it won't work. I'm giving 4 comma 5 here. Let's check. It is adding as a single element within list. It's like a sub list. It is not like extracting information from the list and adding within the existing list. It is adding one more list within the list. But here in extend, it is extracting from the list and adding a current list. What is another method? Insert. Insert an element at a specified position in the list. Initially, we have ingested values end of the list, like after 3, 4, 5. After 3, 4, we have added. Now, add, insert values within the some particular position. Let's try insert. Insert method. Insert, take same list 1, 2, 3. My list dot insert. Here we have to give a position where we need to add the index of the position and value. The index, how we can define in list 1, 2, 3 we have, right? So 1 is a 0 and 2 is 1 and 3 is 2. Index value will be start from 1, 0, 2 and so on. So for example, we have 1, 2 and 3. The index value will start 0, 1 and 2. This is the position. 1 is position in 0 location and 2 is position in 1 location and 3 is position in 2 location. This is the list and these are index values of that particular list. Now I want to insert my fourth value in after 1. For that we have to take 1 comma 4. See, check it my list. 0 is 1 as it is we are getting, and after 1 the 1 location 4 inserted, and after that 2 and 3. If I want to ingest 5 in after 3, after 2, then what to do? This is 0, 1, 2. Here I have to give like a 3. Let's try. Insert 3, 3, and I'm inserting 5. The first value is index and second value is the value of the which value we are going to insert within the list. Check it my list now. See, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. Third location 5 inserted. So here insert will be used for add element within a specific position in a list. Next, remove. One of the method in list like remove the first occurrence of an element. We can use a remove method. First occurrence of an element. Just try remove method. Remove. Now my list dot remove, what it will get is giving error. So here we need to pass the argument which value we have to remove. If I am giving 1, it is removing. So check it, 1 is removed. If I will give 3, 3 removed. So whatever value we are passing within the within this remove method, that value will be removed. The next method, pop. Pop method also like a remove method, removes and returns the element at a specific position. So here in remove method we are adding values, but in pop method we are going to add like a positions of that particular values. Just check it a pop method. My list I'm taking here dot pop. Just try to create a one list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and my underscore list. I dot pop. I want to remove the fourth position of the list. Then I'm giving a 4 here and it is given this 5 0 1 2 3 4. Fourth position 5 is there. So 5 is removed. Let's print. See the list 1 2 3 4 is came. Again if I want to remove like a second position 2 I'm giving and 3 removed. Let's print my list. It is 1 2 4. So pop will work on like this. Next method is index. Return the index of first occurrence of an element. Let's try index 1. So my list, I'm taking my list. My list dot. So here I'm asking here what is the index of my value. 4 is my value. I'm asking index. 3 is the index. So the first one 0, second one 1 and third one 2 and fourth one is 3. My value is 4. Fourth position of index is 3. Same as we can check the position index of 1. 1. This is 0. One the value of position is 0. Check it for 5. 4. The value of 5 position 4. So like this we can check the indexes of that particular value within the list elements. How to check count? Like if I have a multiple values like some duplicate values, we can check the count as well by using count method. My underscore list equals to You can give 1 2 3 and 1 4 5 2 3 1. This is my one of list. Now I want to check count of that particular value, how many times it is repeated within the list. To check that, my underscore list dot count, I want to check for 1. It is giving 3 times. 3 times it is repeated in within the list. Yes, 3 times. Let's check with another value, which is 3. 3 I am giving. 3 is repeated 2 times. Yes. And 4. 4 is 1 time within the list. Like this, we can check the count of that particular value within the list. How many times it is repeated and what is the count of the value. We have another method, like we have lot of methods. I am explaining only few methods here, like 5 to 10 methods I am explaining. We will get like a lot of methods while doing a development of different programs. Just try with the short method. I'm taking same list and do it my list dot sorting order. Check it my list now. It is giving 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 5. Sorting order. It is sorted with order. So we have another method which is reverse. Reverse. Take a same list. Now my underscore list dot reverse. Check it my list now. So here you can see initially I have given a list 1 2 3 1 4 5 2 3 1. Now the reverse 1 3 2 5 4 1 3 2 1. Finally, it is like a reverse order of the string. We have another method which is copy. How to copy the list? So copy in the sense, copy method. I have a list. I'm taking same list now. Now I want to create my second list. List 2 equals to my underscore list dot copy. Then it will copy the list from first list. You can check list 2 also will come same order. So these are like a different methods in list. We can apply these all methods within the list. We have like a different methods also. So whatever popular methods I have explained here, up to 10 methods I have explained. So here we can use these methods in different Python programming. So I hope you have understand this list concept. In next video, we can discuss about how to do a for loop with the list, how we can work. So those things we can discuss. Thank you. Have a nice day.